Solubility of gas in liquid. Factor affecting solubility of gas in liquid. First factor is nature of gas and solvent. Gas like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen dissolve in water only a small extent, but CO2 gas, HCl, ammonia are highly soluble in water because it reacts with water. CO2 plus water form carbonic acid, ammonia plus water form ammonium hydroxide. Effect of temperature. The solubility of gas decreases with increase in temperature. The gas particles escape out. Gas plus solvent, solution plus में heat, exothermic reaction. According to Le-Chatelier principle, increase of temperature would shift the equilibrium in the backward direction. Solubility decrease. From the graph, nitrogen and oxygen solubility decrease with rise of temperature. Effect of pressure study by Henry Lars. Pressure apply, piston move downward, gas solute come closer to the liquid solvent. As a result, molecule come closer to the solvent, solubility increase. In application, carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water to form soda water. The bottle is sealed at high pressure. Henry Law. First statement, mass of dissolved gas directly proportional to the pressure applied on the gas. Second statement is that solubility is defined in terms of mole fraction of gas. Partial pressure of gas in vapor phase directly proportional to the mole fraction of gas in solution. P बराबर है KH XA. KH represents Henry constant. Increase temperature, increase Henry constant value, decrease solubility. Henry constant value depend upon the nature of the gas. फिर हम कहें application of Henry constant. Application of Henry constant. First application is to increase carbon dioxide gas dissolved in soda water. The bottle is sealed under high pressure. When the bottle is opened, the pressure of CO2 above the solution decrease. As a result, solubility decrease and CO2 gas bubble out. In the deep sea living, scuba divers in the depth of sea take cylinder, nitrogen, oxygen, helium mixed. Helium is mixed in nitrogen and oxygen to decrease the solubility of gas in blood. Third application is in function of lungs. When air enter in the lungs, partial pressure of oxygen is high. It combine with hemoglobin to form oxyglobin. Partial pressure of oxygen is decrease. Oxygen released by oxyhemoglobin, which is utilized for function of cell. For climbers at high altitude, the partial pressure of oxygen is less than at ground level. There is low concentration of oxygen in the blood and tissue of the people living at high altitude or climber. Consequently, they feel weak and are unable to think, a disease called anoxia.